पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है, मैं भी पाकिस्तान.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wasif and I'm here to invite all of you for an upcoming event on 24th of March on the occasion of Pakistan Day. The event is organized by a proud to be Pakistani team, which is actually represent Pakistani community in Malaysia. Our team have organized so many wonderful events before to promote our people, culture, food and business here in Malaysia. Now they are coming again with such a grand function on the occasion of the Resolution Day of Pakistan on 24th March 2019 at HGH Convention Center in Sentul area. This event is to celebrate our national pride and dignity. This event will mesmerize you with some beautiful culture performances, speeches, music, delicious food, and many more fun activities. So we need your support in terms of your time and your resources to make this event successful. This event will make us proud and brings opportunities to explore, share, and connect with the best people around. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to grab your tickets and be a part of this mega event. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pakistan has come to stay and no one can undo it. Long live Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.